Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode 2225 problem number, and it's a problem for find players with 0 or 1 losses. So essentially what we'll have to do is we'll have to return an array in which 0th order array will consist all the players who haven't lost any match yet, and the array at first index will have players who have lost exactly one match. So there are multiple ways to solve this, but I have used a very simple and intuitive way to solve the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a hash map for all the winners and for all the losers. Okay, and I'll also create a set of unique players in the data given. Okay, and at the last I'll keep a track of the answer which we want to return. Okay, so if you see over here, like this will be the format of the response we will be returning back. Okay, so now what I want to do is at 0th index in the given data, in the given array of array matches, at the 0th index we have all the winners, and who have basically it represents a particular element represents a match, and the 0th element represent the winner of that match, and the first index represent the loser of that match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply iterate through that array, the given array. Okay, and I'll check if winner not in players. So basically I'm just adding all the unique players in this particular set, which this set will help us in the later phase. So players dot add winner, and similarly for the loser as well. Okay, next comes the part where I'll be counting the number of matches a player have won and the number of matches a player have got defeated. Okay, so for winners we have this hash map, correct? So I'm gonna add the data of winner in this. So what I'm doing is I'm checking if I already have seen that player as a winner before or not. Okay, if not, so this is the part where I'm checking. If not, I'm gonna assign a by default value of 0, and I'll increment that 1. So now, for example, if we see a new player who have won the match, it's gonna store that player as a data, and the value will be 1. And for example, uh, this 4, like, okay, this fourth player has won 2 matches. First time with this record, let's say if this record we stored it as 4 colon 1. Okay, something like this, right? So, right, next time when we again see 4 as a winner, we'll simply increment the value of this. Okay, so we'll continue to do so, and similarly for the losers as well. I'll do the exact same step for loser. And now basically we have received all the unique player, all the players who have lost the match, and all the winners in the in the given set. Now what I'm doing, what I'll do is I'll just simply iterate through this set, and first in the first array they wanted to get all the players who haven't lost any match yet. Okay, so if the player is not losers, we can say he has won all the matches and haven't got defeated once, right? player. Else, I want to see if in the second one they want to get the players who have lost exactly one match. So I'll just simply check the player in the losers table, in losers hash map, and see if the value was 1 or not. Okay. If yes, I'll add that in the first index. Okay. And they wanted us to return the response in a increasing order. So to do that, I'll simply just sort my results individually, and this will do the job. Okay, so the test cases got successfully passed. Let's submit the results. Submit the code, I mean, say, sorry. Yep, and we performed decent, like we beat 95% of the solutions. So yeah, thanks a ton guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.